So yesterday night I unboxed the charger. I thought there was a plug-in. It turns out to be a USB one. That's alright. Maybe next time I'll get another charger. I'm thinking it might fly, so whatever it is. So here's from yesterday. Let's play that roll of the footage. What's up, Marcus R. Twine here. So today I'm gonna be doing is untagging. Since I got this from Sunday, I spent about 15 bucks. It was 40 bucks according to receipt off screen. Sunday the 7th, I went shopping to get a new one. So here it is. It is called Cell Candy. It's a USB-C charger, 10 foot. Let's try this, see what would do. Careful not to cut my fingers, that would suck. There we go. Got a little stuck. There we go. Got a little sticky. It's a little bit difficult to just hold on. Try not to rip that 15, $14. Alright, there we go. It's a huge ass wire. This is gonna be amazing. Ooh. This is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you YouTubers in another video. Peace. Bye. So, that was from yesterday. That was a different plug. Maybe I'll get a plug-in charger next time. That was a USB. Two versions. So, yeah. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you YouTubers in another video. Peace. Bye.